Hi, welcome back. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Porto La Ia, San Juan, Batangas. Kaya tayo ay mapapakita sa inyo ng napakagandang mga lot properties dito na makikita lang. Okay? So ito ay composed ng residential, lots, at beach resort. So ito ay pinagsamang beach resort at the same time, residential. Okay? So tinagalag ko lang, inulit-ulit lang. So, nandito tayo ngayong araw na to dahil meron tayong isang kliyente na gustong makita ito online. So, nandito kami ngayon para mag-video itong lugar para maipakita natin. So, habang yung aking kasamang broker ay kinakausap siya, ako naman ay nag-take ng videos. So, ito ay napakaganda kasi both combination nga ng residential at beach. Mamaya makikita natin maya-maya lang yung ating beach club, yung ating amenities area. So ngayon makikita nyo, nandito tayo ngayon sa Block 3. Okay, residential area to. So dito marami pang space, marami pang available lots. So ito malapit to sa gate. Okay, so sa labas niyan malapit doon sa kalsada papunta ng Lubog, Batangas. Yes. Okay. So ngayon ito yung mga available pa. May mga ilan-ilan pa dyan, pero marami-rami pa. Ito naman yung Block 20. Nandito tayo sa malapit dito sa, itong nakikita nyo is Block 20. So, almost sold out na, pero may mga pailan-ilan pa din na available at may mga nagre-reopen. So, malay mo, ito yung mamaya madadaanan natin to ulit sa video kasi rotonda to eh. Andyan yung water, yung supply ng tubig. Yan. So, makikita nyo, meron ng mga nakatayong bahay. Diba? So imagine, nandito kayo nakatira. Tahimik, not overcrowded, at alam niyo po yung peace of mind talaga naman kasi highly secured po ang lugar dahil may gate po ito. So merong gate, merong residential, at meron ding napakagandang beach. And FYI po, maya-maya makikita niyo din talagang ang beach dito ay napakaganda. Turquoise pag ang datingan. Turquoise water. Ibig sabihin meron din dito mga protected reef, coral reefs. Okay? So mamaya natin pupuntahan yon. For now, imagine you can place your dream house here. You can build your dream house here. Makita niyo yan, may mga nakatayo ng establishments dito. Also, nakalimutan ko, I almost forgot, meron din tayong naka-reserve na area for commercial lots, commercial establishments. Yes, so tatlo pala ito, resort, commercial area, at residential. Yes, yay! Okay, so ngayon ating pupuntahan yung susunod na phase natin. Yes. So ngayon, andito tayo ngayon sa gate kasi may binalikan kami kanina. May binalikan kami na lot property near the gate. Okay, sa mga clients na gusto ng mga malapit sa gate, pwede. At yan, makikita nyo, ito yung ating pinakang main gate. Yan. So, samahan nyo kami, pupuntahan natin yung pinakang beach house o kaya yung amenities. Porto La Ia, San Juan is perhaps the place you've been longing to settle down or make it your perpetual retreat away from the noise and commotion of the city, like Manila. Alam naman natin, this private residential and beach resort community aspires to get hold of the best seaside living for its lot owners. The property is a gated beach enclave that has a privately held beach club which will serve as the centerpiece of the development and the community's beachfront activities. The property's 400-meter-long beachfront is one of the development's attractions, where the family can have a promenade any time of the day and admire the beauty of the sea and white sand beach. The Porto La Ia has a stunning view of the mountains of Lubog. Later, we will see the mountains of Lubog and faces of the majestic Singayam Bay. Once you settle down at this magnificent enclave, you can have access to the protected reef area offshore which is ideal for swimming and snorkeling. Wow! Laia is the nearest white sand beach to Metro Manila. You see, Porto Laia is an exclusive community only for the homeowners and their guests to enjoy. The property doesn't have a hotel or cottages. This place is not open to the public. Yan po ha, napakalinaw. Enjoy the privilege of being in an entirely private beach where there is no overcrowding, no pollution, no rowdy noises, but just pure enjoyment. The family can go swimming or floor licking in the beach in the turquoise water of the settling, or you can take pleasure promenading along with fine white sand Laia is known for. Furthermore, this gated community has water sports operated by the beach club with full services. Yan. So yan po, makikita na natin dito yung Mountains of Lobo. Yes, right there. At ito na yung sinasabi natin kanina pa na turquoise water. At yung 400-meter beach front. Okay? Yan yung ating sinasabi. Yan. So, napakaganda. Imagine, you will enjoy your residential peace of mind at the same time with these world-class amenities. You see? Ito, welcome to our amenities sa ating clubhouse. Yeah. So putulin ko muna dito. Yan. So welcome inside the clubhouse. Yes, this can be also be your events place. So imagine, you will have your 50th anniversary, lahat ng anniversaries. Yan, pwede nyong gawin dito. Yan. So we have cottages, and this is exclusively only for residents and your guests. Okay? So we have swimming pool. Yes. O yan. So nandito tayo. Ito yung pinaka-map ng Porto Laia. Yan. So, yan po yung ating pinagmamalaki dito. No? Ang laki ng beachfront natin. Yan. So, we have phase 1 and phase 2 residentials. No? At nandito po tayo. Yan. Nandyan po tayo. Nandito po tayo sa part na to. Yeah. Okay. So, may ginawa lang kami kanina. Kailangan namin mag-sign in. Mga COVID-19 protocols. So, kailangan tayong mag-sign in at mag-wash ng ating mga hands. Okay. So, ito po ang sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina pa. Look at it. Napakaganda. Talaga naman. Yes. And here comes the infinity pool. Kasi parang wala lang nangyari. Parang tuloy-tuloy sa dagat yung swimming pool. And this side, yan po yung ating magiging commercial area. Yan. So, ito po yung isa pang part ng ating park. Green Park. Woohoo! Yes. Look at it. There you go. Yes, this is the Tamarind Cove. One of the highlights of Porto Laia in San Juan, Batangas. Its pristine white sand and amazing ocean views will make life more exciting every day. This just dropping beach resort is for exclusive use of homeowners and their guests. The cove has nipa huts, restaurants, abundance of trees such as tamarind and coconut, boats for rent, an infinity pool next to the ocean, balsa or bamboo raft, to get you to the snorkeling site, and other water sports. Here you can truly enjoy the distinct cove where there are mangroves, unique rock formations, fine white sand, and a shadow blue sea, all for you to explore. Snorkeling gears have free of charge for residents. Yan. See? Napakaganda. And ito ay ang ating pupuntahang sunod ay napakaganda, and this is very ideal para po sa mga mga future developments pa. Okay? So, kung may mga nais pong mag-avail sa inyo ng commercial area dito sa loob, please, you can comment down below or you can reach us. So again, thank you very much po sa pagsama sa akin dito sa Porto La Ia. Hanggang sa muli po, maraming salamat.